Okay, so today I am discussing some multiple choice question from the chapters. So first one, which of the following substance has strongest interparticle forces? I am repeating, which of the following substances has strongest interparticle forces? The substance are steam, petrol, water, wax. Steam, petrol, water and wax. Already answer came from Asmita, Amrita, Ronit, Asraful, Nafisha, Arpit. All are saying that option D is the correct, that is wax. Yes, it is wax. Next one. Okay, so first one is wax. Number 2, which of the following operation does not favor the condensation of gas? Just repeating once, which of the following operation does not favor the condensation of gas? Decrease of pressure, decrease of temperature, increase of pressure, decreasing the volume of the container. Okay, so I am repeating it again. Which of the following operation does not favor the condensation of gas? Number A, decrease of pressure. Number B, increase of pressure. Number C, decrease of temperature. Number D, decreasing the volume of the container. Decrease of pressure, increase of pressure, decrease of temperature, and then decreasing the volume of the container. Does not favor. The answer is does not favor. Decreasing in volume of the container, decreasing the temperature, increase in temperature. Yes, increase in temperature. There is no option increase in temperature, there is option decrease of temperature. So the option A, that is decrease of pressure. If you decrease the pressure, then what happens? The volume will expand. Decrease of temperature, so it helps in condensation. So option A, decrease of pressure, and option C is increase of pressure. If you increase the pressure, it also helps in condensation. So for option A, that is decrease of pressure, is not favored to the condensation of gas. Decrease of pressure. Decrease of pressure. The question was that which of the following operation does not favor. Okay, it is not favoring. Not favor, not favor. Okay, next 3. Which of the following material is not a fluid? Now, what is the definition of fluid? That those having tendency to flow. So, at first the name came, that is the liquids. Okay, now just see the example. Number A is sugar, number B is hydrogen gas, number C is water, number D is oil. Number A is sugar, B is hydrogen gas, C is water, D is oil. Which one is called as fluid? Is not a fluid. Is not a fluid. Yes, sugar. Those who given the correct answer, that is Nafisha Arpit. Next. In which state of matter the constituent particle does not have linear movement? In which state of matter the constituent particle does not have linear movement? Plasma state, solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Plasma state, solid state, liquid state, gaseous state does not have linear movement. Not in gas. Nafisha given the answer, that is solid. Yes, it is the correct. Others are Rajanya gaseous. In gas, the particles are moved in haphazard manner. So these are in linear motion. In liquid also, and also in plasma state. But in solid, this movement, the linear movement, is restricted. Okay. Next, which of the following liquid has highest density? Mustard oil, kerosene oil, ether, water. Which of the following liquid has highest density? Mustard oil, ether, kerosene oil, water. Ether, no, it is the wrong one. Has highest density out of mustard oil and water, because kerosene oil and ether having lower density. Mustard oil. Water, yes. So those who given water as the correct, Amrita, Ronit, Rajanya. Okay. Next, which property is responsible for spreading the fragrance of incense stick ignited in one corner of the room? Fluidity, diffusion, rigidity, flexibility. Which property is responsible for spreading the fragrance of incense stick ignited in one corner of the room? Fluidity, diffusion, rigidity, flexibility. It is diffusion. Okay. Already correct answer from Rajanya, Ronit, Pramiti, Arpit, Nafisha. Next question. Which state of matter represents gaseous mixture of positive ion and electrons? Gaseous mixture of positive ions and electrons. Number A, solid. Number B, gas. C, plasma. D, liquid. Which state of matter represents gaseous mixture of positive ions and electrons? Solid, gas, plasma, and D, liquid. Plasma, yes. Plasma, Nafisha, Arpit, Amrita. Okay, correct one. Next is that which of the following substance can produce largest cooling effect? Which of the following substance can produce largest cooling effect? Ice at 0 degree centigrade, water at minus 1 degree centigrade, water at 0 degree centigrade, cooling effect of all is same. Ice at 0 degree centigrade, ice at 0 degree centigrade, water at minus 1 degree centigrade. Next one, water at 0 degree centigrade, 0 degree centigrade, and all of these above are same. Question is, which of the following substance can produce largest cooling effect? Ice at 0 degree centigrade, water at 0 degree centigrade, water at minus 1 degree centigrade, cooling effect of all is same. Cooling effect of all is same. Ice at 0 degree centigrade. Yes, this is correct. Okay. Here is the options of latent heat. Okay, next day I will discuss again the practical. Okay. Okay. So thank you everyone and bye.